So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix fast charging not working in your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So guys, fast charging is not working in your phone. First thing is you enable the fast charging. So for enabling, first of all you open the settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of battery, and here is you see the option of charging, and make sure that your fast charging is on. Okay, another thing is guys, you use the original charger. So guys, make sure that you are using the original charger. If you are using any third party charger, so maybe you facing such type of issues like the fast charging is not working. Then guys, you try to clean your port. So make sure that your charging port is fully cleared, there is no dust and debris in it. So if you find, so just click it using the toothpick and any thin material. Last thing is guys, you try to restart your phone. For restarting, simply swipe down, click here and restart. And also try to check for the update. Make sure your phone is up to date. So these are the basic things that you can done and still having the issue. So guys, first you go to settings, then guys go to the option of battery, and guys here you show the option of which application consume your more space battery. So if you find any defective application, so guys please try to uninstall it. So these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.